for the egg roll are 3 eggs, carrots, onion, white onion, and onion leeks. Put a salt and pepper to taste. And then whisk the egg using a fork until the salt and pepper incorporate. And then using a strainer, pour the egg to have a smooth and soft texture. Next step is to put the other ingredients like the onion leeks, the sweet onion or white onion, and the carrots. Mix and ready to fry. Heat the pan in low flame. And then brush the pan with oil. Any oil will do. Pour some of the mixture in the pan. Wait for the egg until cooked. It's time and the egg is ready to roll up. Using a spatula or a flat paddle, roll the egg carefully. Move the egg in the middle of the pan. Put the remaining mixture in the pan and then repeat the process. You have to wait for the egg to cook and then roll it again. Now it's time to transfer the egg roll in a chopping board and wait for it to cool down before cutting. Here is our egg roll. Enjoy and happy cooking!